Hare Krishna. Today we will talk about how to conquer death. One day one reporter asked to Srila Prabhupada that why mortality rate is very high in India. Srila Prabhupada jokingly replied that mortality rate is same everywhere, 100%. So we hear from Bhagavad Gita, Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityuhu dhruvam janma mritasya cha tasmad apariharyate natvam shochitum arhasi. Krishna says that one who has taken birth has to die, then one who dies has to take birth again. Then why are you raising this question, how to conquer death? Is it possible? Yes, Srila Prabhupada says, according to Bhagavad Gita, that what is actually death we can learn. We see that suppose an old man died, then his son is crying, he has gone, he has gone. But who has gone? The father's body is lying in front of him, but still why is he crying he has gone? Because all throughout his life he is thinking that body is his father, but at the time of death he is coming to understand that the body is not his father, something else. So what is that something else? According to Bhagavad Gita, it is soul. Modern scientists, they don't believe in existence of the soul. They say that life is just a mixture of chemicals. This body is a combination of some chemicals, and at one particular point chemicals combine to arise consciousness in the body, but they have no proof for this, because suppose if life is just a mixture of chemicals, suppose a great man like Gandhi or Einstein died, they should have injected the missing chemicals and brought him back to life, but actually it never happened. One who has died never came back to life in the history of the mankind. So we will understand from Bhagavad Gita what is actually death. Krishna says, Dehinosmin yata dehe kaumaram yavvanam jara tatha dehantara prapti dhirastatra namuhyati. Srila Prabhupada explained that I have been a child body, then the child body turned into youthful body, then youthful body turned into old body, but still I is the same person. Even the body is changing, I am not changing. So that's why we should understand that I am different from this body. So when the body dies, the soul doesn't die. But because of bodily conception of life, identifying myself with the body, I am thinking I am the body. That is why when the body dies, I think that I am dying. But actually the soul doesn't die. So what happens at the time of death? So Krishna says, Vashamshi jirnani yata vihaya navani grihnati naroparani tata sharirani vihaya jirnani anyani samyati navani dehi. Just like we give up the old and torn clothes, when the body becomes old, we give up this old body and go to a new body. So the transference of the soul from one body to another body is called death, but soul doesn't have death. If we can stop this transference of the soul from one body to another body by practicing Krishna consciousness, that is chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra and reading Bhagavatam and doing devotional service. So then by practicing this, we can actually stop the process of this transference of the soul from one body to another body. Then Krishna says, Antakale cha mameva smaran muktva kalaivaraham yaha prayati samadbhavam yati nasti atra samshayaha. So how do we know that we have conquered death? If a dying person leaves this body by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra or by remembering Krishna, then he will not take birth again, he will go to Krishna's planet. So that's how we conquer death. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.